Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
The Chinese automaker BYD has been making waves in Brazil's electric vehicle market, but a recent scandal threatens to undermine its success. BYD announced plans to build a massive factory in the northeastern city of Camacari, sparking hopes for well-paying jobs and a brighter future for local residents. However, Brazilian authorities raided the site, rescuing 163 Chinese nationals who were allegedly working in slavery-like conditions. ElectroDrive News has been following this story closely, and our findings suggest that BYD's operations in Brazil are shrouded in secrecy. The company has refused to allow press visits inside its Camacari premises, citing concerns about trade secrets. But what exactly is going on behind the scenes of this massive factory? We spoke to local residents who have been waiting for jobs and economic growth, but so far, they haven't seen it. BYD's inroads in Brazil are part of the company's global expansion, which has seen record sales and revenue. However, critics argue that BYD's aggressive expansion comes at a cost. In Brazil, ample room for BYD to grow is exactly what BYD is looking for, with its own market share already dominating electric vehicle sales. The Brazilian government's policies are driving EV sales and production, including incentives for electric motors, tax reductions for lower-emission cars, and a new air quality program with nationwide monitoring. This has made Brazil an attractive destination for Chinese electric car makers like BYD. But the country's complex history with China also comes into play. While Brazilians have no geopolitical issues with China, many in the U.S. do, thanks to President Trump's frequent comments about China ripping off America on trade. Despite the controversy surrounding its Camacari factory, BYD remains committed to growing its presence in Brazil. But for local residents, it's unclear what's next for this massive project. The Metalworkers Union has vowed to call for a work stoppage if Chinese workers are brought onto the production line, and there's already been talk of renaming the city's Henry Ford Avenue to BYD Avenue. As we continue to follow this story, one thing is clear. The shift from Ford to BYD in Camacari is a symbol of a broader trend. Brazil is increasingly becoming an important hub for electric vehicle manufacturing. ElectroDrive News will be keeping a close eye on developments in this area and bringing you updates as more information becomes available.